Hello everyone, I'm Miguel Couto from Scanology. Today, I'm excited to show you the NimProbe, our brand new, fully wireless lightweight optical probe. It's built to handle complex and challenging environments with ease, delivering high-precision 3D measurements anytime, anywhere. This is the NimProbe protective case.
Inside, you'll find the iProbe, the calibration module, stylus kit with M4 and M2 adapters, plus the corner extension rod, and the eye tracker. Now, let's set up the eye tracker on the tripod.
Now, we power on the NimProbe and connect it to the computer. And then, we can see its information displayed in the DefinSight software. After a simple setup and calibration, the NimProbe is ready for measurements. Paired with the eye tracker, NimProbe can achieve single position measurements of 4.2 meters at most, thus truly realizing high-precision 3D measurements for large-scale projects. The 500 millimeters long NimProbe can easily measure hidden points or hard-to-reach areas with high accuracy. It can accurately detect and even when up to 8 markers or blocks, greatly expanding the measurement area. By probing 3 points of a plane being created on the object. Based on advanced software and positioning algorithms, NimProbe only needs few markers to achieve easy coordinate conversion, which greatly improves the convenience of switching stations and simplifies the measurement process.